everyone and welcome to Lyme Regis. I've come over here today to take part in the Lyme Lunge. The Lyme Lunge is an annual event that takes place on New Year's Day every year, and it raises money for charities. And this year they're raising money for MenCap and the British Heart Foundation, and it's run by the Lyme Regis Rotary Club. You can see that I'm wearing my fluffiest boots and my thickest coat because it is going to be cold in that sea, and I want to be as warm as possible afterwards. Lots of spectators here up in the gardens and down on the beach. So exciting. It's a bit of a gloomy day, but this is really going to brighten it up. Oh my goodness, what was I thinking doing this? I'm getting cold feet about it now, to be honest. First time I've done anything like this. So anyway, I'm sure it's going to be great fun. I'll join you once I've got changed. Just while I get a chance, while I'm not wet and shivering, I just thought I'd tell you about my channel. If you've not heard of it before, Southwest Sundays. I go all around the Southwest most weeks and do videos from around different places and show you different places. So if you're interested in finding out more about different places around the Southwest for day trips or events, things like that, do check out my channel, Southwest Sundays. And subscribe as well, that would be brilliant. Cold. Well, there we go. I'm in the water in Lyme Regis on New Year's Day. It's actually really refreshing. I really like it. Now I've got used to it. I do think I would go for a swim actually. It's really not too bad at all. But the thing is, I can't go for a swim because I have equipment that I can't risk breaking. Yay! Well, that was just absolutely amazing. I totally recommend coming for a dip on New Year's Day. I just got sick again. Absolutely brilliant, thoroughly recommend it. I'll see you next week somewhere, guys, in the southwest of England. Not sure where I'm going to be yet, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be alerted when I make new videos. Bye for now.
So ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Rotary Club of Lyme Regis, I wish you a very happy new year.
Oh, this is so good. Really, really welcome.